Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today what I have for you is a DIY video. My daughter's birthday is coming up, as you may or may not know, and it's Barbie theme. So I decided to purchase some sneakers, wannabe Converse, and convert them into Barbie sneakers. These sneakers are from Amazon. I will try to link them down below. They were affordable. I wanted to get affordable shoes just in case I messed them up, you know? This is definitely my first time trying to create any type of shoes, and if you go on Etsy, they are wicked expensive, and I refused to spend $80 to $100 on a pair of shoes that she's going to outgrow anyway in 2 seconds. So here we go. I did purchase from Etsy the image so I can upload it into my Cricut, and I'm just going to iron it on here. I thought it was going to be small, but it was actually perfect. I will share also the dimensions that I use down below. And as far as the Cricut, you want to use or cut one that is mirrored and the other one that isn't. One that's mirrored is going to obviously work for one shoe, and the other one that's not mirrored is going to work for the other shoe, as you see right here. And this is what it looks like. It was kind of hard to iron it on, you know, with one hand, showing you on the camera. But I did use a small craft iron that I got in Walmart. I have the Cricut one, but the Cricut one is very expensive, so I actually think I'm going to return it because the small $12 iron worked perfectly fine as opposed to the $79.99 from Cricut. So I'm going to actually start adding these into the front part of the shoe. This I got at Dollar Tree, and they're already adhesive. So I'm going to start stripping them on into this front part here. I don't think I'm going to need hot glue gun. If I do, I will put it on later. But for now, just to make sure I put it on right, I'm just going to strip them down just like that. And this is hard to do with one hand. So this is exactly what it's going to look like. So you're going to do the same thing for the rest of the shoe. And voila, I am actually really obsessed with this. This is so cute, and I do not think I'm gonna need that hot glue gun, because even if I try to peel it out, it's kind of hard. So for being $1 at the Dollar Tree, this is amazing. I am obsessed. And I felt like it was missing something, so I grabbed those same strips, as you can see, and I just added it next to the Barbie Silhouette, and again, obsessed. So adorable. I switched off the original shoelaces and added these pink laces. These are actually recycled from other shoes that she had that doesn't fit her anymore. But these laces, you can get them anywhere. You can get them at Walmart, which I actually bought a pack at Walmart thinking I didn't have it. So I actually think I'm gonna do or use it for myself. But these are just recycled. But again, you can get them at Walmart or Hobby Lobby, Michael's, any craft store. Lastly, using those same strips, I used it to wrap around the entire shoe and even on the back. And I just think it gave it that last finishing touch that it needed, so it could just pop completely. This is so amazing. I think my total for everything was just around 30 bucks, and that's because I went wild on these strips that I thought I was gonna need like 1,000 more, but not at all. And yeah, I think I am so obsessed with this. She's going to be obsessed with this. I can't wait to surprise her with these DIY Barbie shoes. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more Barbie themed DIY coming your way. Her birthday's like in 2 weeks, so there's going to be a lot of back-to-back videos of just pure DIYs. So hit that notification button, and that way you will be notified each time I upload a video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.